Good morning, Peter here. Welcome to Evandale, located just close to Launceston. We flew in this morning. It's damn cold here, but that's okay. We're all rugged up, ready to see this historic town of Victorian and Georgian architecture. Here is an example of some of the relics. So let's have a look for some other ones. Come this way.
Evandale was originally established as a military post in 1811, and it was known variously as Collins Hill. The name change came in 1836 in honour of Tasmania's first Governor-General G.W. Evans, and it was declared a municipality in 1865.
What are you going to get?
Some juicy caramels.
Ooh, here at Evandale, Peter. Well, I didn't get a caramel one, but I did get a plum pudding chocolate. Yum.
John Glover was born on February 18, 1767 at Horton-on-the-Hill near Leicester, England. He became a landscape artist of high repute in a number of the British Society of Painters in watercolours. John Glover and his wife Sarah arriving at the River Tamar near Launceston on February 18, 1831. He was allocated land at Mills Plains, Ben Lomond, Dentington, where he built his home, the property which he named Patterdale. John Glover died at Patterdale on December 9, 1849. Just completed our walk around Evandale. I have to say it's one of the most amazing streetscapes featuring Georgian Victorian architecture. It's definitely worth a while coming down and having a walk around here and checking out the little shops. Now we're going to drive 8 kilometres away where Clarendon House stands and check that out. Thank you for coming along and I hope you enjoyed this walk. See you next time. Bye.